Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that will keep you entertained and protected on the road. On the left, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and on the right, the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about video quality. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 boasts a wide 140-degree lens and records in 1080p with Garmin Clarity HDR optics. That means you'll get crisp detail day and night. But wait, the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam takes it up a notch with its 4K 2160p plus 1440p plus 1080p video. It's like watching a blockbuster movie in your car. Point goes to Chensive for bringing the big guns in video quality. Now let's talk about size. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is as small as a car key and mounts discreetly behind your rearview mirror. It's like a secret agent keeping an eye on the road. On the other hand, the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam may not be as tiny, but it still doesn't block your view or distract you while driving. It's like having a reliable co-pilot by your side. So in terms of size and discretion, both cameras are winners. Let's move on to additional features. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with voice control, allowing you to use spoken commands to save videos, take pictures, and more. It's like having your own personal assistant in the car. The Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam, on the other hand, offers a 24-hour parking monitor, triggered by impact or movement while parked. It's like having a security guard for your vehicle. It's a tough call, but we'll give this one to Garmin for its cool voice control feature. Now let's talk about connectivity and accessibility. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 automatically uploads saved videos via Wi-Fi to the secure online vault for easy viewing and sharing later. Plus, you can access the camera remotely for live view monitoring when you're away from your car. It's like having eyes everywhere. The Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam unfortunately doesn't offer these features. So the point goes to Garmin for its impressive connectivity and accessibility options. Last but not least, let's talk about the price. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes in at $129, while the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam is a steal at just $69. It's like getting a high-quality dash cam without breaking the bank. So when it comes to price, Chensive takes the win. After analyzing online reviews, here's what customers are saying. And there you have it, folks. After a fierce battle between the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam, we have a tie. Both cameras had their unique strengths and features that cater to different needs. So it's up to you to decide which one suits your style and budget. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know which dash cam you prefer. And as always, stay tuned for more product comparisons on Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping!